Hearty good morning to respected father, sister, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Vara Yashashvi from Standard 9C, is going to tell you something about prayer. Prayer is an opportunity to spend time with God. To really understand the heart of God, you need to pray. Talking with Him develops a deeper relationship with Him. So now let us join our hands and close our eyes for prayers.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a touch bearer of your wisdom.
I hope that you enjoyed the prayer. So I would now like to call Vatsalya to say the thought of the day.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Rathod Vatsalya. Today I am standing here to say the thought. The thought of the day is make yourself your own competition. Strive to be better in your yesterday and you will get the right essence in your life. This means that you have to do the competition with your own life and whatever you were in your yesterday's life to improve and to try them to improve in your today's life and you will get the best result in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, Vatsalya, for the wonderful thoughts. So here now we end our assembly program. I hope you enjoyed today's now. Thank you and have a nice day.